Alright, so on the last slide on the back of your page, we have the problem -8 plus 5. So you are starting with, of course, 8 negatives in the first frame. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And in the middle frame, you would redraw those negatives, but you would also include 5 positives. So I'm putting those positives close to a negative that I can cancel it out with. 4, I need one more, okay? So now I have my 8 negatives, I have my 5 positives, and so I can now cancel out any zero pairs that can be formed. And I would be left with a -3 this time because I would have 3 negatives remaining. So then I would redraw those 3 negatives. So 1, 2, and 3 to represent the -3 that is remaining. So again, if you had been given that picture, you would identify in the first frame that there were 8 negatives, or -8 as your starting point. I added more circles, more chips onto the mat in that second frame. So I am adding, and what I added was 5 positive circles. So I was adding +5 in that middle frame, and I can see that it is equal to -3. So when you are dealing with this, especially if it's multiple choice, you can see first of all what the answer should be. So if I had an answer choice that said it was equal to 3 instead of -3, I could eliminate that right away. The middle frame is the most difficult to interpret, so start by looking at the first frame and the last frame, see what answer choices you can eliminate, and then look at what's happening in the middle if they are adding, or once we learn how to model subtraction, see if they are subtracting instead.